So pretty much this are the controllers right down here. You can see the A, W, S, D to move, back, forward, and you got your space right here. You got the E and Q. What's up guys, it's your boy Duplex back again to do another video for my homeboy TSG Asser. I did a video last time and it did real well, so I was like, why not do another one for him? So today I'll be showing you guys how to play Among Us on your PC. So first thing, you go to your browser, you type in the Memu emulator, you search that, click on the first one you see, it takes you to this website and you see all you gotta do right now is just hit the download button. Once you click that, you're gonna see this pop up right down here on the bottom left of your screen. Once it's done downloading, click the open file, and pretty much you just gotta follow through the process it brings to you. You gotta run it, so you click run. So, and this is gonna pop up. See the Memu thing, so just click install now and you click accept. This comes up, but just click decline for this and the app is pretty much gonna start installing for you, for it to install. So we're at 100% right now guys, so all you gotta do is click finish, and now we have the Memu installed. The app is installed on your PC, so just click the launch now, give it a couple of seconds, and there you see it loading. It says Memu play. Let's wait for it to load completely. So guys, we got the Memu play app, so it's just like your Android phone. So if you want to download the Among Us, just go to the Play Store, and for those of you who have like a Google account or something, just sign into it. I'll sign into mine real quick. So just gotta click the search bar and type in Among Us. Right there, you click on that and just click install. Just wait for that to install. So that's pretty much all you gotta do to get the app on your PC, so you could play this game for free. So as you can see, it's done installing. You can just click open to launch it. Pretty much
it's running that these are the controls.
So pretty much this are the controllers right down here. You can see the A, W, S, D to move, back, forward, and you got your space right here. You got the E and Q. So these are the controls. You got D to go, you got A, S, just pretty much moving around. Pretty much guys, that's it. That's simple. That's how to play Among Us on your PC. And with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time.
In the squad, I've been making more videos than I thought. I'll be tweeting every single week, every day. Every day has been the hardest for me, but I keep going. Yeah, keep going.